Hi, everyone. Thank you very much for coming. Again, thank you so much to the factory for hosting us here tonight. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with the 4 demos for tonight. A few words about us. First, Wagon is a coding bootcamp. We're originally from Paris. By now, we're in almost 20 cities worldwide. More than 1,300 people have actually done our coding bootcamp already. And what we do is we aim to bring technical skills to creative people. And for the last 9 weeks, 5 days a week, 10 hours a day, 16 amazing people that are spread around this room have actually learned to code with us. And this is our batch 65. And they've built, for the last 10 days, some really, really, really amazing products that I would like to showcase tonight, that they would like to showcase tonight. So without further ado, please give a warm welcome to the first group, Wow Wow Club.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. Welcome. Who here has trouble making friends? I know I do. There's a reason why dogs are man's best friend. They bring us joy, they bring us laughter, and they help us meet other people, especially in an unfamiliar city like Berlin is to me. Although I love dogs, owning one within the confines of my busy schedule, honestly, it's a bitch. And my landlord won't let me have one. Luckily, I found this wonderful app. It's called Wow Wow Club. Wow Wow Club, as you can see, if I scroll down past this lovely video, it alleviates the hassle of owning a dog, like buying the food and, cleaning up its shit and all that stuff, and connects dog lovers and dog owners within the same community. Also, it provides a map so you can see where all the dogs are located in Berlin. I can see that a bunch of dogs are in Mitte, which is wonderful because I spend a lot of my time in Mitte. So that's great. So I think I'm gonna explore further and maybe borrow a dog. This looks like a great app, so I'm gonna find some more dogs. The dogs look really cute. I don't know. You guys like dogs, right? Who doesn't? I think that I like a lot of different types. I like small dogs. They're really easy to take around. You can take them to the bar. They're dude magnets, honestly. So I think I'm gonna filter by small dogs. Bunny is cute. I love corgis. They're very cute. Bunny is a self-indulgent bacon addict and a cat hater. I also hate cats, so that's cool. Available on weekdays. Okay, I don't know. Bunny's cool, but I'm just not quite sure about her. I'm just gonna go back, check out the rest. You know what? I really like Jack Russells. I like their energy. We really vibe. So I'm gonna search for Jack Russells, I think. Okay, Teddy looks pretty good. I'm gonna check out Teddy. Teddy cannot distinguish his twin owners apart, which is rough because I know I also have face recognition issues. Perfect. Teddy is available on weekends, which is wonderful because I'm really busy coding 10 hours a day with Philip. I think I'm going to message Teddy's owner. Cool. I'm going to talk to Robin, and maybe we can set something up. I'm going to say, hey, and hopefully he's online, and this can be sort of instant so we can figure it out. I'm going to ask if I can walk Robin. Teddy also goes by the name Robin sometimes. He likes to take on his own. I think that we're gonna figure out what time. That luckily the messaging system is really easy and instant, so it's nice. It's yeah. So hopefully he will confirm that. Let's see. And Okay, great. So if you would like to join Teddy and I on our little adventure, please, I'm going to pass the microphone over to Fred, and he's going to tell you some more about our app. Okay? Great.
Yeah, so my name is Frederick. I work together with Sarah, Robin, who you all know by now, and Gordon on the Wawa Club. And we really enjoyed working on this for the last 2 weeks, and we actually want to kind of launch it as a small MVP in Berlin. So the next step would actually be to take this live. We're going to do a few small improvements, going to add payment in some way for the technical people. The idea is to actually have a membership, so both the owners and the lenders actually have to sign up for a membership, small fee, like 20 euros a year or something like that, just to know that everyone's serious about this business. And maybe add a few more technical things like, Facebook login to get faster into the site. Maybe provide a German version. Now, after Wagon, it's just done, in 2 days, I guess. Super easy. And and if you're interested in staying up to date, you can just go to our website and actually sign up for the newsletter and stay in the loop. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that. I don't know about you guys. I do own a dog, and that would be amazing for me to have something like this. Maybe get rid of her from time to time to actually work. So, big round of applause again for that really nice app. And moving forward, we're actually going to switch topics entirely. And go from basically take your dog out to find your next creative project, which is Zentangle. So give a big round of applause for the gentleman building Zentangle.
My name is Joe. I'm a video editor. I just moved to Berlin. And I heard about this cool new website from a buddy of mine called Zentangle. So basically, my issue is I've been looking for projects to collaborate with other creative individuals to both expand my social network here and build my portfolio. So my buddy told me about this website. Seems super cool. So yeah, I'm gonna check it out. I've been using it for the past few weeks a little bit, but yeah, let's check it out together. So yeah, to begin, what's my talent? I am a video editor looking for a film project in Berlin. So let's check out these results. Cool. Super cool. Looks like a lot of nice projects in here. So, but there's a bit too many. So let's refine this bad boy a bit. So let's put it down to projects that I've worked on in the past. I've worked on documentaries and drama films. So yeah, let's refine it by that. Cool. Sweet. So there's still a fair amount of projects. So let's check out Brazil's rainforest. That looks nice. Cool. Yeah. Isabel Lima worked on it. This is her project. Looks super nice. I've heard of her before. She's worked on a lot of great films in the past. I've been trying to connect with her, but never have had the opportunity to do. But this looks like a great chance to. So let's see this. Environmental justice, which is my favorite kind of justice. So yeah, let's apply as an editor, because that's what I am. That's what I do. Okay. Pretty general description of an editor. So let's $2,000. That's a fair amount of change for a boy like me. So yeah, let's apply to that. Cool. All right. So how can I contribute to this project? I love justice, and I'm a great editor. Let's submit that. Sweet. So here you can see my dashboard. I've applied to a lot of projects in the past, but they're all pending still. So yeah, Brazil's rainforest is still pending, but maybe, just maybe, Isabel has sent me a message. Oh, would you look at that? All right, let's check that out. Okay. She's thanking me for my interest in her documentary. So she's asking my availability. Well, I'm a busy guy. I code all day, so I'm only available on the weekends. So let's write that down. Nice. It's perfect for her, so it's perfect for me. Let's meet. Smiley face. Cool. So yeah, I've sent her the message. I've confirmed it. It's all good. So let's go back to the dashboard to see if I've been accepted into this project. Oh, nice. Would you look at that? I've joined the project. It's all set in stone. And what an easy way to join a project. So yeah, thank you all for watching this. It's been a crazy 2 months. Been wild. These past 2 weeks have been out of control, coding all day, nuts. But it's been a lot of fun. I'm really proud of this site. It's beautiful, beautiful design. And we're planning on launching in early summer, hopefully. We may add a few features like a portfolio page, as well as adding video to the project page. But yeah, thank you all for your time, and hope you have a great evening.
Congratulations, guys and girl. That was, I think, one of the more interesting projects for us, just because we usually don't have such an art background in people. But I think this has really a lot of potential connecting people, especially in Berlin, let's be honest. Everyone here is creative. So this is the perfect launch city for you guys. So I really hope this is going to be a big success. Again, big round of applause. I'm really impressed. And up next, we actually move on from the arts and cultures into something that is a little nearer to my everyday life, drinking. So give it up for the group that built Superbarman.
So hello everyone, my name is Daniel. I come from Barcelona, but I'm living in Berlin now, and I love to party. So yeah, next weekend is my birthday, and I would like to throw an awesome party at my place, but I really don't know how to manage the drinks planning, because basically I have two options. Either I buy everything on my own, which is actually very expensive and very time consuming, or I tell my friends to bring their own alcohol, but I know how it will end. They will all show up with a six-pack beer, and we will run out of drinks very quickly. So I found this new app called Superbarman, which actually allows me to book a bartender fully equipped with his own cocktails and able to serve cocktails at my party. So yeah, I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so a bartender for your party for 50 euros. Yeah, looks awesome. But how it works exactly? Okay, so I only need to tell when and where the party is going to happen, and they will bring the bar to me. Okay, yeah, that looks super cool. Oh, they even have some top bartenders of the month. Yeah, that's super cool. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm actually going to book my bartender. So yeah, my type of party would be birthday, and it's going to happen on next weekend, and it will be in Berlin, of course. Yeah, let's go ahead. Wow, cool. So now I can see all the bartenders who are available to attend my party. Oh, and I can even see their top cocktail specialties. That's pretty cool. So let's see what we have around. Yeah, Bailey Thompson. She looks nice. Yeah, let's check that out. Okay, yeah, Speedy B. Looks like this girl is very quick on doing cocktails. That looks super cool. Yeah, maybe we can check her reviews. Maybe. Okay, nice, pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not convinced. I might check another one. Okay, so let's see what we have around. Yeah, Pierre Cousteau, why not? Yeah, let's check Pierre Cousteau. Oh, little French. Oh, and he speaks French. That's actually perfect because I have many French friends in Berlin, so it will be perfect. And one of his top cocktails is Big Red, which is actually one of my favorite. And yeah, his rating is 5 glasses. Yeah, I'm definitely going for it. Yeah, let's go. I'm sold. Let's book him. Okay, so I am basically now booking Little Friends for Berlin for my birthday party. So the bartender service is 50 euros, and the cocktails will be sold at 5 euros at my party. Okay, so basically, my living room will really become a real bar with a bartender selling cocktails. That's awesome. I'm sure my friends will love it. Okay, so yeah, my party will start at, let's put 9:30, Spanish kettle. And it will happen, here at the factory. Number of guests, have invited 30 people. And yeah, say hello to your bartender, provide more Oh yeah, I was actually wondering if the bartender could also bring some strawberry mojito, because my girl really likes it, so yeah, it would be cool if he can bring it. Yeah, let's go ahead. I'm ready. I'm ready to confirm and pay for my bartender. Oh, cool. So I can see all the information there, my email, my birthday, and the date. Yeah, everything is cool. Go. Oh, cool. So I have already booked my birthday, and they have already sent a request to my bartender. And I will receive a response within the next 24 hours. Okay, so that's perfect. So, looks like the bartender has received an SMS already. Perfect. So the next step will be for the bartender to confirm that he's available to actually attend. Oh, that was super quick. Perfect. The bartender has already accepted my request. So now I'm sure that I will throw an awesome party. My friends will love it, and I don't have to care about the drinks planning anymore. That's super cool. Okay, so this is our core user journey that we have been working on. So the next features that we are planning to implement are a checklist for the day of the party to ensure that all the process goes well, the number of guests is still accurate, and a chat functionality between the user and the bartender. And of course, also the possibility for the user to rate the bartender once the party has been held. In terms of the payment plan, in the midterm, we also want to try different payment plans. So this payment option is the one that we believe that fits best with our early adopters. But we also want to have other payment options to allow, for example, the host to pay for the bartender and for the cocktails to target also weddings and professional events, for example. And yeah, last but not least, we are actually already in the process of establishing a partnership with the European Bartender School, which is one of the best schools for bartenders in the world. They have schools in more than 25 cities, so the idea would be to have their students enrolled in the platform. So that's it. We are Superbarman, Mike over there, Francesco, Lawrence here, and myself. Thanks for listening.
Also to this group, a big congratulations. I think you did an amazing job, actually. It was really fun watching them work because they were discussing color schemes for 2 hours without getting to a result. But overall, I think they did an amazing job. And in the end, this is just something I could see absolutely myself using, mostly because I'm lazy. But it's an amazing platform, so congratulations to that group. Big round of applause. Now, for the last group, we're gonna have, again, a big switch of topics. That seems to be basically what we're all about this evening. And we're actually gonna go into education. And not just education, but education in countries where life is a little more challenging and infrastructure is not as good as we have it in Europe. So, big round of applause for our last group, EduAssist.
Hi everyone, my name is Spencer, and I recently accepted a position teaching school children in rural Nigeria. Before I accepted the position, I looked around on the internet and I found this app called EduAssist that allows me to perform basic classroom tasks using just my smartphone. Actually, interesting about Nigeria is 36% of the population has a smartphone, but many classrooms still lack desktop, laptop computers, and wired internet connections. So this will be really helpful for my grade 3 class. So I'm here in my classroom, and it looks like the children have started to arrive. Here they are. That's great. So usually as a teacher, the first thing I do every day is I take attendance. So I'm here on my grade 3 dashboard, and I'm going to take attendance. This looks familiar to me, swiping left for no, swiping right for yes. So we're going to see who's here. BC. Oh, BC's here. Elisa's not here today. Pascal, are you here? Oh, great. Patrick, are you here? Okay. And Pauline, I think Pauline's here. Great. Awesome. So I'm done with attendance for today. That was really easy. Now, the next thing I do usually in the morning is I hand back work that I've corrected the night before. So I have some math tests that I just corrected. Here you guys go. And I'm going to collect their English homework. Thanks, guys.
Mr. Teacher, excuse me. I had this one right.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I totally messed up. You're totally correct. Okay, so I need to go and correct that in my grade book. So here I can see the list of assignments that I've given my grade 3 class, classified by the subject. This midterm test I need to make some adjustments to because Pascal got a better score. So Pascal's, whoa, his grade was not great, but it looks like he got 85 instead of 75. Great, all updated. So now I'd go about the rest of my teaching day, do my regularly planned lessons. On the way home, I might open up my app and check out who is struggling and who I need to focus on for the next day. So it looks like both Pauline, Patrick, and Pascal have been struggling on that midterm test. I want to check out Pascal and see if maybe he's been missing a lot of class, to see if that might explain his low score. Here I can see all the students in my class, some information about him. I want to pop open Pascal's name. Here's his birthday, so a little bit of bio about him. I want to view his attendance. So here's his attendance record. It looks like he's been missing a lot of class. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week. He missed Tuesday of this week. Maybe there's something going on at home, something I can talk to him about, and remember to focus on Pascal a little more. Now I'm at home and I'm doing my lesson planning, and I like to focus on what my students are struggling in. So I can view my classroom statistics. I can see that they're really struggling in math. I'm not doing very well in English or science either, but I know here that I really need to focus on math for the next couple of weeks. So that will help me in my lesson planning. Now I'm sitting at home, I've got my smartphone out, I'm sitting at my desk, and I have these pieces of paper here with me. The last assignments that my students handed in. And I'm going to sit there and I'm going to grade them side by side. So I'm going to open up my grade book, create a new assignment. This was English worksheet. And it was due today, and it's out of 30 points. Great. So as I'm sitting here, you can imagine I have my smartphone in one hand and my papers just sitting down the table as I go through and I grade. Looks like everybody did pretty well on this worksheet. Okay, so that's the functionality that we have built right now. We've done this in 2 weeks. We really wanted to spend these 2 weeks building something that could actually help people. The app is fully functional. It could be launched today. It is launched. You can go on eduassist.me and sign up if you're a teacher. We really thought that this app could be used anywhere. We used Nigeria as sort of an example case, but it could be used anywhere where mobile internet is more prevalent. Even if you just use it for attendance, it might be helpful. We're interested in working with NGOs possibly for distribution. We're also interested in making it open source so that anyone can contribute to it. The future features that we'd really like to add is an export to email feature so that you can, for example, get a list of all your students' grades sent to your email so you can print it or do whatever you'd like to do. An API so that we can build a dedicated mobile interface so that you can interface directly with the database. lesson planning feature for teachers to add a lesson plan and perhaps interact with their students if the students also have a smartphone, and more user customization. This was built over 2 weeks with Pauline, Patrick, and Pascal, myself, I'm Spencer, and it was awesome. Thank you, guys.
I'm just going to quickly jump in here. Since you all had the student demos, we look back over 9 weeks. It's been a cool ride. Philip, our driver, it's been a bumpy road on the way, but he was a great driver and eventually brought us to the destination safely. So thank you very much for being such a dedicated driver and making all of this possible.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Those were our demos for tonight. And actually, I would like to thank once more all the participants, first of all. Sarah, Frederick, Robin, Gordon, Joe, Kevin, Isabel, Alex, Daniel, Lawrence, Francisco, Spencer, Pauline, Pascal, Patrick. Without you, this wouldn't have happened. Without your dedication, without your work, nothing of this would have worked. And I gotta say, I'm still in love with every single one of your projects. I think you guys did an amazing job. I would like to also thank all the teachers, all the TAs that are here, Hans, George, Alex, Andy, many more that were here and couldn't unfortunately join us tonight. They have managed to, teach people how to code in just 9 weeks. And as you could see, they did an amazing job. So that was it from us. If you want to learn how to code, feel free to approach me. Feel free to go to our website, lewagon.com/Berlin. And other than that, enjoy the beers and have a good night. Thank you very much. Cheers.